be reviewing this product from Vega. This is a 3-in-1 product and all the description is given on the back. So let's get started. So guys, this is the product. It has a crimper over here, then a straightener, and then all-in-one a curler. So firstly, we guys are using crimper. So as you guys are seeing, I am doing my crimp here into straight one. So it's like okay. But if I talk about my crimper and a curler, it's amazing. It has a cable which rotates 180 degree, which is very nice. When you curl, it will be very easy to movable. If I talk about the three things, so the curler is amazing. I got a very nice curl and the crimper is too, but the straightener is like so. I think you can buy the product after knowing these reviews. Thank you for